see it very well, and I'm afraid if I get up, she's going to move. She's licking Joshua's face. Can you lean up some? Lean up some. Move your hand. She's totally giving him a bath. Most people are going to gross out about it, but I think it's funny. She was even looking at his hair.
So weird.
She's licking his neck now.
What's going on?
Oh. Did she push your face down?
She's telling me to hold still. Yeah.
Hi. Now you got green eyes when you do that with the... Oh my goodness.
No, not the ear.
Just don't let her bite you.
I don't think she wants to bite.
She just bit your nose. Oh my goodness. That is so funny. Now she's licking your hair.